Hello student, today we want to learn how we construct an angle 22.5 degree, 67.5 degree, 112.5 degree, 157.5 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree in a single class. And it is very important for all the students in school level. So you don't skip up to the finish my class. Let's start. At first, we draw a straight line named AB and take a point O on AB. First of all, we construct an angle 90 degree using compass, pencil and ruler. Already we discussed how we can draw an angle 90 degree using compass, pencil and ruler. First of all, we draw an arc which intersects the baseline at the point P. Then we construct two arcs from the point P such that without altering the radius, they intersect the first arc at the point Q and R. Now from Q and R, we draw two arcs whose length more than half of RQ and they intersect at a point S. Now we join O with S and we get an angle BOS whose measurement is 90 degree. Now for construct an angle 45 degree, we bisect the angle BOS from the point P. We draw an arc whose radius is more than the half of the arc PQT, more than half of PT. In this way, at a point U, now we add the point U with O. We get an angle UOB whose measurement will be 45 degree. In the same way, we bisect the angle here angle AOV and SOV are equal to each other and they are equal to 45 degree. Therefore, in this way, we get 4 45 degree angle. And if we bisect each of the 45 degree angle, we get 22.5 degree. So we bisect each of the 45-degree angle in the previous way. Let 4 points of intersection are W, X, Y, Z. Now join OW, join OX, we join OY, we join OZ, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles whose measurement are same and they are equal to 22.5 degree. So in this way we construct angle 22.5 degree and they are each of these angle are 22.5 degree, and angle BOT equal to 90 degree, and if we add 90 degree with 45 degree, then we get 135 degree, and which is B, that equal to 135 degree, and which is the sum of angle BOT and TOV. Similarly, if we add 90 degree with 22.5 degree, we get 112.5 degree. Here angle BOT is 90 degree and TOS is 22.5 degree. Therefore, BOV angle is 135 degree and BOS angle equal to 112.5 degree. And if we multiply 22.5 degree with 7, we get 157.5 degree. Here 22.5 degree measurement angles, here 8 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of this, if one angle subtract, then remaining the angles such as this total angle, and whose name is BOV. Angle BOV equal to 157.5 degree. So in this way we construct 7 angles and they are 22.5 degree, 67.5 degree, 112.5 degree, 157.5 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 135 degree at a time.